Alright, so we are in lab 4.6.4 and we're going to use Ping and Tracert on Windows. Possible? Alright, so we are inside now, so let's see what we have here. From the admin terminal on the executive office, ping the COP server computer using the IP addresses and confirm connectivity to the local network. So that is the 4 stacks that we have here. So let's start up. Local. Alright, so we'll go to executive office and we'll go to start menu, terminal, and ping. What are we pinging? Let's see the IP address. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're pinging 192.168.0.11 and okay, so this ping is successful. Let's see what else are we pinging. COP server. Alright, so we ping 192.168.0.10. Okay, so we see that this network is going through. So let's answer the question. Okay, not yet. Let's see what we have here for question 2. Says to troubleshoot the connectivity issue from the top right, select exhibit, make note of the IP address for the router for building A and the ISP's router. Okay. Let's see. Router. Okay. Close exhibit dialog. Okay. Alright, so let's open exhibit and see what we have in the exhibit window. Let's see what we have. Okay, look at the IP address here. 192.28.2.253. Alright, so and this will lead to let's see. Okay. 192.168.0.5. So that is it there. 192.168.0.5. That is for building a router. And this is going to be 198.28.2.254. You can see it here. This is it here, and that is ISP and internet. So we close this and let's see. Okay, 192.168.34, 192.168.0.4. So we use Tracert 192. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.4. 192.168.0.4. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.4. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.4. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.4. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.4. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. 1 198.28 rather .2.254 and timed out. Okay, so question 2. Let's see. Ping the building A router ISP to verify it is accessible. Use the Tracert utility to verify the path to the ISP's router. Change the configuration of the executive computer to resolve problem. Okay. So here the request timed out all true. So we go into settings and network. Let's close this for now, and then let's go to, so click on the date so that we see the informations. The information is 192.168.0.4. So we're going to change it to 5, and then the exhibits. Let's go back to exhibit and see the IP address. So this is it here. 192.168.0.5, and let's see. Go to settings, terminal, ping. What I'll ping in, we'll ping in 192.168.0.5. Let's see. Alright, so Tracert to 198.28.2.254. Okay. Alright, so this is